taking so long?
What's wrong with these sleeves?
Well, here.
What? No, you open it.
No, it's your wedding present from me.
Yeah, but you love to open presents.
Yeah, but I know what it is, Jason.
Okay, please, open the present and help me with these stupid sleeves.
Do I know you or what?
Can you put them on?
Oh, gosh. Get these out of here. Thank you, Carly. Thank you. They are exactly what I wanted and exactly what I needed. And I don't know what I would do without you.
What's going on here?
Nothing. I'm selfish and I'm self-centered and I'm afraid that after you marry Courtney, I don't know, I'm not going to be able to call you like 4 in the morning or anything.
What are you talking about? You never call me at 4 in the morning.
But if I wanted to, things are just going to be different now.
Is that why you're upset?
You're my best friend, Jason. I don't want to lose you.